All right, so we have our test strip. You want to come a little closer and you can take a look at it. So we've got 5 seconds, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So we're liking the 20, so I think that's what we're gonna go with. But remember, we can't change anything. After we make this test strip, this is only good for the current settings. So if you move the head, if you adjust anything, you adjust the focus, no good. So 5, 10, 15, 20, we're gonna go with 20 seconds. I'm gonna immediately go over and set my timer. And a thing I would like you to get in the habit of doing, so I set it to 20, so 20, 20, 20. I would like you to get in the habit of, once these are dry, so once you run it through the dryer, I'm not gonna run this one through the dryer right now, but once it's dry, actually writing on the back in pencil, glossy, put your settings on there, and everything else, so that you're keeping records of your stuff. All right, so I'm just gonna toss this guy in the washer, and we're gonna get ready for the next print, which will be our final print, so 20 seconds. All right, make sure my hands are really, really, really dry before I put them into the container. We're gonna get the lights off, we're gonna go again. So light goes off, grab my glossy paper. Again, you can use any of the papers. I would not recommend using art paper at this stage in your photographic career. It takes like 4 minutes to develop and it's kind of a nightmare, but we will use it later in the year. So I'm gonna close that. All right, I've got my sheet. Definitely know which side is which. This is my glossy side, we're good. I'm gonna bring it over here, load it up. So whenever I'm loading up a full sheet, this lifts, and then there's actually like little pegs that this can slide under to kind of lock into place. It's really great if you want like a super clean look. So it's in place, this gets closed. I recommend holding your hand at the bottom of this, pushing down while you expose. So let's expose. The reason I push down is to get a nice clean border. So otherwise you're gonna have some light leak, and the light will in fact come into the sides of your picture, giving it kind of a soft border. If that's a look you want, that's fine. But for this one, I'm just gonna do a clean 20-second exposure. All right, so that's done. Pull my paper out, coming over. So since this is a final nice print that I wanna give to somebody, I'm gonna do 2 minutes in the developer, 30 seconds in the stop path, 2 full minutes in the fixer. All right.